Heidi Gammill with Nest Pretty. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. This book is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. You can get it on Amazon. It's basically about how to curate a lifestyle, how to make small choices, how to take your time to curate your home, one twig at a time, one decision at a time, to avoid overwhelm and ultimately giving up. I'm a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. And I do that with two methodologies. Number one, life coaching, and number two, closet organization. I use a tool every day called the Edit, and this is a tool that you can use to help you to hone your wardrobe, to continue to make improvements, to curate a wardrobe you love. So if you are going to have a curated closet, it generally means you'll have less things so that you're not overwhelmed first thing in the morning. If you have less things, then you need to choose wisely. So this morning, when I was getting dressed, I had a thought. And perhaps you have thoughts when you're getting dressed in the morning. And I'm just going to walk you through the process that I used to get me dressed out of the door and embracing the day. So interestingly, the thought I had this morning as I was getting dressed was, I want to hide. I'm not sure exactly why, except for the fact that that is life. Life ebbs and flows. Ebbs and flows. We ebb and flow. Imagine if we were just always flowing, like the ocean, if it was constantly coming in, coming in, coming in. Ultimately, that's no bueno. It needs to come in and go out. So today was my day to go out, to feel a little like I wanted to hide, kind of to go inward. So I decided to wear all black. It's kind of like a comfort thing for me. And I know I've said several times that I wanted to make it a rule not to wear black in summer, but I don't know if that rule is going to work for me. So I wore this black tank and these very comfortable black pants and my little flip-flops, and I did not even wear a necklace. That's how much I wanted to hide. So here's the thing, when you have thoughts like that in the morning, notice them and then embrace them. So generally when I have thoughts like that, I look at myself in the mirror and I kind of talk to myself like I would a baby or a puppy. Very loving, very kind, very nice tone of voice. And I say something like, it's okay, baby. It's okay. You can hide today. It's fine. And it's okay, baby. You do not need to put a necklace on. It's okay. You can just be quiet today. Just be quiet. It's okay. It's all part of the ebbing and flowing. And so throughout the day, I felt very comfortable, except that it was really warm today. And so black just doesn't go great in the heat. So the edit is a process of asking 3 questions at the end of your day. Number 1, what worked? And we're looking for information about what we were happy about in our choice of clothing today. So I'm going to say that I was very happy because I felt kind of like this all black column was kind of like a little hug, kind of a little reminder for me today. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. You can hide. It's fine. Question number 2 is, what didn't work? Now I'm kind of repeating myself. I know I got ahead of myself. What didn't work is all black in the heat. Doesn't work. It's a little warm. Otherwise, what didn't work? I think that's the only thing that didn't work. And question number three is, how can I make it better? So this is what I thought of today. All day I was saying, it's okay, baby. And just realizing the ebb and flow of life, that we're not always going to want to be out there with a big chunky necklace. It's okay, baby. It's okay. So what I thought of, how can I make it better, is preparing something in my wardrobe for days like this when I want to hide. Something very comfortable and comforting. Something maybe not black, maybe something navy or white. A pillar for sure. I love a good pillar. But it just, I haven't decided yet. But it got me thinking that I need to prepare something for those days when I'm ebbing, besides pajamas. And that's how the edit works. And that's also a really good thing to do when you're not feeling on top of your game, when you are feeling like you want to hide, or if you're having a thought first thing in the morning in front of your closet that maybe you don't like, maybe is uncomfortable, maybe it's a running story that you have, just say, it's okay, baby. Just notice it. And be very kind to yourself. Be kind. Be loving, just like you would to a child or a puppy. And allow the feeling. Allow the thought. The thought is going to be followed by a feeling. Allow it. Get on with your day. So even though my day started off with a thought, I want to hide, that gave me a feeling of, I guess, what is the feeling? I don't know. If it was coming from tired, but I slept really good last night. Or if it's just coming from middle of the week, middle of a busy week. Could be. What is the feeling though? I'm going to stick with tired, I guess. So allowing for tired is okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. I'm just here to encourage you, if you're having thoughts first thing in the morning, when you're standing in front of your closet, notice them and embrace them. Allow them. They're not going to hurt you. They're just thoughts and feelings. They will not do physical harm to you. But if you allow them, what happens is the feeling passes through your body. It's just a vibration. A feeling is just a vibration. And you can literally get back on with your day. You can get back to flowing. Ebb and the flow. I'm feeling better already. So I hope this helped you. I hope it inspires you to notice. If you have a thought first thing in the morning, I would love to hear. Put it in the comments below. And I hope that this little exercise that I did today benefits you, inspires you. It's okay, baby. Embrace your thoughts, embrace your feelings. Do whatever you can to comfort yourself and move on. I hope you have a fantastic night. Thank you for joining. Bye.